Welcome back. You're watching News Now. Now, heavy rains led to devastating floods across the northeastern states. In fact, over 30 people have lost their lives and more than 60,000 have been affected in the last 2 days. Now, Assam remains the most impacted. 9 deaths were reported from the state. In fact, Assam Rifles and flood relief columns were deployed in the affected areas. In Sikkim, over 1,200 tourists who were stranded were rescued this morning, and Manipur witnessed about 33 landslides in 24 hours. The landslides damaged at least 1,400 houses. The IMD has in fact issued a red alert for Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur and Tripura for today. But as far as the ground situation is concerned, Tejashree, my colleague, reports.
Several states of Northeast are worstly affected due to floods. We have been seeing that how due to heavy rainfall, the water level in the Teesta River has been rising. Say it be in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam or particularly Sikkim, from where we are just 5 kilometers away. All these areas are worstly affected, and one by one we'll show you the visuals. Currently we are reporting from Teesta Bazaar, and the visuals you can see that how there has been a significant rise in the water level of the Teesta River, and that's what has been causing this particular damage in several districts in several states as well. And in fact, if we talk particularly about Sikkim, about Arunachal Pradesh, about Assam, then yes, more than 10,000 people have been moved to relief camps from several states as well. And if we talk about the number of death toll, then it is more than 30. But you can see the kind of damage that these rising water level or the flood situation has caused over here. You can see that how the construction over here has been damaged. Those houses are also in fact were completely submerged in water, is what the locals told us. At least the first half of the house was submerged in the water. And in fact, see here also, Arnab, if you can show the visuals over here on my right hand side, that how the destruction is caused over here. Because here what we got to know is that there was a footbridge. You can say that here was a road that was constructed, but now that's also completely damaged. Rescue and evacuation operations are underway. Remember that the disaster response force, state disaster response force, that is SDRF, civil defense and police have been working through the flood streets. School, government offices, business are all shut in all the in all these districts that are severely affected. Because remember that this has been continuing since more than 48 hours. Red alert has already been issued, and not just that, but also tourists are stranded in many areas. The evacuation is on. A joint rescue operation is being carried out by the NDRF, by the SDRF.